Hello everyone, and welcome. Have you ever looked at a plastic container, a car bumper, or even some types of carpet and wondered what it's actually made of? There's a good chance it's a plastic called polypropylene, often shortened to pages. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what this super common material is made of in a simple and easy to understand way. So, what is polypropylene made of? The name gives us a big clue. It all starts with a tiny molecule called propylene, which is also known as propene. Propylene is a gas. You can't see it or hold it. It's made up of just 3 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Think of it as a very small, single building block. But where does this propylene gas come from? It's a byproduct of the oil and gas industry. When crude oil or natural gas is refined to make things like gasoline, propylene is one of the other valuable materials that is separated out. Now, how do we get from a gas to a solid plastic? This is where a cool chemical process called polymerization comes in. The word poly simply means many. So polypropylene literally means many propylenes. Imagine you have a huge box of individual paper clips. Each single paper clip is like one propylene molecule. Polymerization is the process of linking all those paper clips together, one after another, to form a very long, strong chain. To make this happen in a factory, scientists take the propylene gas and put it under high pressure and high temperature. They also add a special substance called a catalyst, which is like a chemical helper that speeds up the reaction. This catalyst encourages all the individual propylene molecules, which are called monomers, to link up and form these long chains, creating the polymer we know as polypropylene. Once this process is complete, we no longer have a gas. We have a solid material. This new polypropylene is usually produced in the form of small, hard pellets, like tiny beads. These pellets are then shipped to manufacturers all over the world. Those manufacturers can then melt the pellets down and use them for all sorts of things. They can be molded into car parts, food containers, and chairs. They can be stretched into thin films for packaging or spun into fibers to make ropes, carpets, and even some types of clothing. So, to recap, polypropylene is a plastic polymer made from long chains of a smaller molecule called propylene. Propylene is a gas that comes from refining oil and natural gas. These small molecules are linked together through a process called polymerization to create the durable plastic we use every day. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this explanation helpful and learned something new, please show your support by hitting the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you can join us for our next video. Your support truly helps us keep making more content for you. See you next time.